Abale nobody, ela nobody, yo body, yo body, abale nobody, ela nobody, yo body, yo body, yeah yeah, yeah yeah, yeah yeah, yeah yeah. Oh do no, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Oh do no, oh do no, oh do no, oh do no. Yeah.
Father Lord! Father Lord! So, now, they say, I don't want them to campaign. I never said so. Let everybody hear. And I want to say, I read on newspaper that IG said nobody can stop anybody for rally. I think people are misinterpreting and misconstruing what we are saying. What we are saying is that if you want to use primary school, if you want to use secondary school, apply, pay money for security, so that when you destroy or dirty the place, government can now come and clean up that place. We are not saying that you are not entitled to use a place for rally. No. These people, I don't know the kind of school they went to, telling people lies. I'm sure they misquoted the IG. Some of them say, oh, they will disobey Order 21, Executive Order 21 and 22. I wish you good luck. Dare us. Dare us. We will tell you we're in charge of River State. Are we not in charge? Are we not in charge? We didn't say you should not hold rally. Like here now, it's not a primary school. The people cleared here for us to do this. And I've told PDP, you must apply, pay the money, and then we'll allow you to go and hold your rally. But you cannot tell me, I will allow you to go to a school. Then when you destroy it, you carry video to such a school and criticize the government. See the school in River State, no windows, no doors. When you are going to destroy it, fa fa fa, fa fa fa. And let me say to everybody who cares, and I want to say it today, let the world hear me and hear me well. We mean peace in this state. I will continue to keep peace. But the time has come. Nobody can take us for a ride. River State cannot be slave to anybody. River State cannot be what? Slave to anybody. I don't want to talk about people who are in Abuja who sold their land. No here. I will call them one day. I will tell you. I will tell them one day. Bogi, bogi. Why you?